Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at this trending update, how to check any Twitter account country. Recently on X, so many bots are popping up every day. We are confused, don't even know the exact bot. Some people are using it as an avenue to scam people on X, and Elon Musk has thought and his team has thought it is wise for them to expose the country of origin of that particular bot. Now, this is how you check any project you are mining or you are doing. If you want to check the project country code, you can easily track it on your X account. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more of looking at this systematic finance that we all are killing ourselves. Systematic finance has been asking their community for liquidity. They have been begging us to partake on their pre-sale. And you come to realize that why will a project come up without having a backer, without having liquidity? You are depending on your miners to generate the liquidity. So they are not here to help you. They are here to, do the other way around. A project, before you come out to create any bot for airdrop, you must have something that is backing you up. You must have the fund that you can use, at least generate the liquidity first, let your community do the rest. But right now, what we are doing is that they will generate this bot, they are now the miners, and we are the farmers. We are the one that will generate the revenue and the liquidity for them. So Elon Musk has made it easy for them, has exposed them in a way that if any project you are mining, just go to X, search for the project, look for the country. If it is your desire to continue mining that project, you can help. If it is not, you moved on. Systematic finance. And if you see that account base in Nigeria connected via Nigeria Apple Store. So the founder or the or the developer of this systematic finance is from my beloved country, Nigeria. You have seen it. So this is how you track it. So how then do you do this? Before you go, let's go and look for another people. So let's click on this particular Hanyan, na Hanyan. Then you click on this project. You click on this. This person is from Israel, and connected app is Israel. Hanyan is from Israel, and connected app is Israel. So how do you track this? To track this, you have to go to Play Store. Yeah, you have to go and update your app first. Come to Play Store, you search for S. So you have to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. You can see my own is updated. If your own is not updated, go and update it so that you have the latest version. Once you update, you open it. Now, this is how you track any project you want to. Let's assume you want to search for Spot Protocol. Spot Protocol. Let's search for that project. So this is the project. So once you search for the project, you come back here, you click on this is Spot Protocol. You click on this, join November 2024. Click on this arrow you are seeing here. As you tap on it, you can now see this Spot Protocol is Africa, and it's connected Africa airdrop app. So it's an Africa project. Spot Protocol. So this is how you track it. Any project that you track and find out, oh, this person's country of origin, I'm not comfortable with it. You can decide to fund the project, you can decide to leave. So that is the latest update. Go and check and find out all the projects you are mining, their country of residence. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.